Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming iCloud is active on the device and signed into the Apple ID that currently shows the AirPods 3. Once done, make sure the AirPods are charged and within Bluetooth range so they appear. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. This is where devices linked to your Apple ID appear. This first step locates the AirPods in your account, and it prepares the system to let you remove them safely without losing other synced data. Next, in Find My you tap Devices, then locate the AirPods 3 entry, note the last seen location or status. Once selected, choose Remove this device or Remove from account. This is the explicit action that severs the AirPods from your Apple ID. You may be asked to confirm and enter your Apple ID password to authorize the change. Do that. After confirmation, the AirPods no longer appear under your devices, which frees them for another account. Finally, to fully prepare the AirPods for a new user, reset them. Place both buds in the case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then hold the Setup button until the status light flashes amber and then white. If removal failed earlier, sign out of iCloud on the device, restart it, sign back in, and retry removing the device in Find My. This often clears sync issues. Once done, confirm they're gone from your devices list and that they can pair with a different Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.